Disclaimer: this is not a how-to video, because a how-to video is when you know how to. Our project might defy all laws of logic, reason, and possibly physics. Don't ask us how it works. We're as baffled as you are. It's like that magic trick where the rabbit disappears, nobody knows where it went, but it's probably wearing a tiny top hat somewhere.
What is up, guys? And today we are back. I've actually lost a lot of footage about the new Beetle. So the thing is, last time we were kind of right here where I said I was going to clean the engine. So now the engine block is about cleaned. All of the maintenance in terms of belts are done. So both new belts, new tensioner, and so on. I've actually put back my intake manifold with a new gasket and a new gasket for the throttle body. The turbo is in the engine bay. All of the turbo is plumbed with a kit from Bartek. It's actually kind of a nice kit. It was actually a pain in the ass for the oil return of the turbo because it didn't fit, so I had to buy a little thing to make it fit, and it wasn't in stock about anywhere in Europe. For the turbo, for the heat management, so the big turbo blanket and the exhaust wrap, I went with a heat management specialist that is called Funk Motorsport. So these guys are from the UK. I actually highly recommend Funk because they are making actually great products. So that's really nice. Actually, you can hold the turbo blanket with a heat torch, doesn't melt your hand, so that's really cool. If you want guys to check them out, don't hesitate. I leave a link in the description below. All of the products from Funk are not sponsored. I've bought the products and they're really great products, so you might want to give a shout out to the products. So that's about it for the turbo. Yesterday night I've actually put back the engine in the car. Still have to do the wastegate, so from here and here I've actually got a little thing that will go just like that to have it with a AN 10 line, so that is going to be quite nice. Still waiting on my intercooler, so I'm going to go with a Mishimoto intercooler. So I'm gonna take off the AC radiator to put my intercooler like this. It's going to fit, and still waiting on my little injectors, so I'm going to go with 1400 cc injectors with a little Walbro fuel pump that actually delivers 520 liters per hour. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for all the missed video, and see you soon.